Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alan and today I bring you a pair of sunglasses. Now, I've had this pair of Akila X Pleasures sunglasses for about 6 years. 6 years, yeah. I picked these up in the Feb of 2020, or was it the March of 2020, I guess, during my trip to Brisbane. Unfortunately, it snapped. 6 years of wear and tear can do that to you, of course. Which then made my Prada symbol, which is a weekend pair of sunglasses. Now this has become my everyday diver, what I wear to work. Hence, I needed something in the arsenal that I could pull out every now and then. I mean, it was this one, but I had to find an alternative. Now shout out to my friend Abhishek for helping me score a pair of Oakley sunglasses that are just so cool. Now, while I get the sunglasses out of the bag, if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. I have content coming out every now and then. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. All right, let's dive right in. I've had this really romanticized relationship with Oakley ever since I was a kid. I don't know how many of you know of this movie Torque. It's all about racer bikes and I don't know, heists, I guess. But anyway, I used to ride a bike back then when I used to go to college. And back then we didn't have helmets. Oh man, I'm talking like I'm 80 years old or something. My mom happened to travel to Dubai, where I currently am. And I was like, you gotta get me back a pair of Oakley sunglasses. And she did. Now, I don't have any pictures of it, but it was one of those wraparound jacket kind of styles. Man, they were so cool. And then I think when I got my first job, the first pair of sunglasses I bought were Oakley's. And now after all those years, 15 years odd later, I finally get another pair. Now as you can tell, you have this nice chromed out box like a sleeve. I'm going to hold it at an angle, but you can see Factory Team right there with the Oakley O and the Brain Dead logo. Of course, this is the Brain Dead collab, and that's why I'm wearing the Brain Dead t-shirt. It says the Plantaris and Sepia. Sepia is like that old vintage brown tint that you would have in films of photography. Okay, let's get this out of the box. And man, right out of the box, you have this aluminium bullet. Now the Plantaris, I think, was launched about a few years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. And Travis Scott, I think, was wearing a pair of them, which is why they blew up. And while regular Plantaris shades come in a hard case, this one comes in this aluminium bullet. Absolutely love it. And then you're going to obviously lift it up, and there's two things right here. The first one being your nose clip. We'll get into that in detail. And the second being your sleeve in which the sunglasses sit. Again, this sleeve is specific to the Brain Dead collab. So you have the O's running all through it. The O's. And now for the moment of truth, I get the sunglasses out. And shlabam. There you have it. The Oakley Brain Dead Plantaris in that sepia tone. Now these are, should I put them on first? I think I should put them on first. Let's go. Alright, so this is what they look like on my face. Very unlike my usual style, right? I usually wear those flat black sunglasses, but I think I gotta chop my hair off, shave my beard, and then these will look a lot better. Maybe also throw in a surfboard. Just looking at this screen itself, it's all brown and now it's all daylight. But let's dive into the details of the frame. As you can see, you have that sepia tone lenses and they are see-through, so you can see my face really. It's not completely reflective. The top part of the frame is translucent or transparent. And then you have this in the bottom of the frame. It's a little glazed out. These end tips right here are quite interesting actually at the end of the frame. And of course you have your Oakley logo. It's done in black. I wish they used like a steel or maybe like a, I don't know, not brown, but something that made it pop, because the entire frame is translucent and you can't really see it. But the most interesting part of the frame overall are the temples, because just look at the temples. All right, I'm going to step out of the frame so you can have a better focus of the temples. So you see how the temples are not a straight line, they dip right here and then they fork out, inspired by these frogs' legs. Not frogs' legs, frog legs. and there is a titanium underwire, and that's what's got the silicone wrap around it. Alright, right here you can see the Brain Dead branding. It's been etched onto the lens on the left side. The lenses on these are Prizm Tungsten. They are not polarized, but I think this is something that Oakley has trademarked, or is their specialty. And what it's meant to do is boost color, contrast and clarity. But like I said, when I put them on, they had the sepia tone. Now I am going to snap this nose bridge onto the sunglasses. I think it's pretty straightforward. You just don't break anything. Oh yeah, there you go. Snap fit. All good to go. So this is what the frame looks like with the nose bridge. You can see those vents. I don't think it really does anything functionally apart from probably safeguard half your nose from a suntan. So gotta be careful in summer. But what do you think? Should I wear it with or without the nose bridge? I think I'll take turns doing that. Are you guys ready? Alright, so this is how they look with the nose bridge. I still think they're super cool. Probably not a great idea for somebody with a deviated nasal septum like me, which is why I'm so nasal, but with this nose bridge, I feel like I am the Green Hornet. Hooah! Alright, jokes. But I could be Kato. Wasn't that his sidekick? So this is what the shades look like with the nose bridge. And that's all I have for this video, I guess. Thanks for staying all the way to the end, you guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you when you commit a crime and I'm there to fight you like the Green Hornet. Until then, take it easy, stay safe, and peace.